Hello. This is Kostas, and to this video, I'm gonna show you something very interesting and very useful in case you're using CWP7, even professional or the free version for your web services. Okay. I noticed that in many cases, and not always, but it's usual that when an SSL is updated, uh, you have to update and to reload the web server. But usually when that happens, you might be um, out of the office and you're not going to be able to do that, or you're going to have an update from a client that their website is not working or something like that. And that's really frustrating. So it's better to have an automated procedure so that you keep your uptime in high levels. Okay. So to all of my servers and to the web hosting that I'm providing, I always try to automate this kind of things. And to this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a short script that is going to automate this procedure. And in fact, it's going to check the SSL updates, and when spots which website was just updated, and is gonna restart or better reload the Nginx and Apache. That's the web server that is running to the server, and that is gonna in fact update the SSL through the server, and the web server is gonna be updated, and the all the websites are gonna be back working normally. Okay, so let's go on and see this script I got. I'm gonna show you. I got it over here. You see, I created even to my forum to have an update here. You see, I'm gonna connect to the FTP of the server and create this script first of all. Okay, let's go on and create this script to the usual place where the scripts are nested, and I'm gonna create just a new file here. We're gonna need, of course, even the command prompt, and we're gonna use the terminal for sure. So I just create this file. It's gonna be the CWSSL watch sh, and to this file I'm gonna add this this script over here and paste it over here. Okay, this file is ready and it's done. It's the SSL watch. Okay, that's gonna check all the time the SSL, the certificates, and try to understand if something has changed, and should jump in and reload. In fact, okay, it's better to reload, not to restart our web server. So then we're gonna reload the reload script. We're gonna need this one. So in the same place, I'm gonna add this script too. Let's add this script to here. I'm gonna create one more file, and I'm gonna paste this reload web after SSL update. It's this one, and I'm gonna move here, grab this code, and paste over here. Okay, it's done and it's ready. And then I'm gonna have to set the permission to each one of those. Let me just connect the terminal. Okay, we got the terminal ready here. So I'm gonna just run this scripts over here, just to this command over here to have the permission ready. Okay, now I'm gonna add this monit rule. The monit rule is over here. You see, I'm gonna have to navigate over here, and it looks like I'm gonna have to run again the previous commands because those files weren't both there. You see, okay, now it's great, and I'm gonna add here. I'm gonna add here the next file, and the next file is gonna be this one. That's gonna be used from the monit that it's inside the CWP7 Pro, in fact, and you can even enable it even to the free version, but we're gonna be focused here to the Pro version because we got it enabled. And here I'm gonna edit this file. I'm gonna use the same editor here. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna use it with okay, let's do it with this one. Let's do it with this one, and I'm gonna select and add this code here. And this one is ready too. Okay, we got it ready, and we are done with this one. So now we got everything ready. The only thing I'm gonna do is just to come here and check that we got everything. I'm gonna do a reload here. I'm gonna move here to the configuration files. Perfect. I can check now. You see, I got a check here. Okay, everything looks nice. Perfect. So let's do a monit t to be sure that the syntax is perfect, and then just restart the monit and do even a reload here. Okay, reinitializing, it's ready, and we move here and check the services once again. Okay, I got the now the CWP SSL watch monit over here. You see that it's already added here, and it's gonna check every time using this this script to be sure that everything is working normally. Okay, now if we want to test it, let me just show you. I can just reload the same script. I'm gonna test this one, and I got yeah, I got a bad interpreter here. I'm gonna have to run one more command. Just give me a moment. Okay, as usually when we open the file with the notepad and work on that using the Windows, it needs just to run this kind of command over here, just to replace the bad part of the file, so that it's gonna work normally. Okay, so we got the reload web after SSL sh. Let me just be sure that it's like that. You see, we got it over here, and it's reload after SSL sh. Okay, and then we just run those commands to have everything fixed and working the correct way for us. So now if we run the command again, let me just show you, it's gonna run normally and it's gonna restart. You see, it's conflicting here, server name, but ignored. Okay, because it just checks the certificate and checks even uh, the subdomains. Okay, and everything looks to work normally. We can even try and run even this one with the echo here, and it's gonna show that we got one. Okay, so this script is gonna be watching all the time our server and checks in case there is um, you know an update to the certificate and we got a certificate that it's renewed or added to our system, and it's going to restart our web server so that reload in fact our web server so that we don't have any downtime because of this SSL renewal or update. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye. Okay, I have added the whole script and everything to my forum to freespirits.gr. You can easily access and find the whole script inside the forum. It's the one that it's under the SSL certificate to the English section, and you can find it to create a reload Nginx script after SSL certificate update. Okay, it's a reload. What I'm gonna show you now, it's just a test because I have just made small fixes to the script. I'm gonna show you just, you see, when we run the script, it's gonna check everything and it's gonna reload in case something is wrong. In fact, here, what we need to do is just to write to run the script to the watcher, and when we get 0, it means that it created a watching file and checks in case something is changed there. Every 2 cycles that Monit is running is gonna check in case this 0 becomes 1. If it becomes 1, it's gonna just reload our Nginx web server. So in that way, we have no downtime to our websites. And over here, you're gonna see that it loads. It creates a small file that where it checks all the certificates to be sure that there is nothing changed, and only if it sees something is changed, that's when it runs the update. And over here it keeps a log in fact about if there was an SSL change. Trust me, that's a really handy and very useful script that it's gonna save you a lot of time and headaches when an SSL update happens and you just can't reload the Nginx because you have no idea that this issue happened. Monit is going to take care about that, and it's going to reload easily the Nginx and the Apache at the same time, so that you have to do nothing and you don't have to bother about that. Thank you very much for watching one more useful video. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and in case you have any problem with the script, just send me your messages to the down to the comments, and in case you need a reliable hosting, just let me know. I'm here to help you and provide you really fast and reliable hosting. Remember, this channel is dedicated even to AI and many useful and really helpful tools that they're gonna save you tons of time. Thank you once again, and I will see you to the next video. Bye bye.